Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both the host and the virtual machine so USB pass-through works. First, enable Hyper-V and confirm integration services are up to date. This reduces driver conflicts. Next, power off the guest and attach your USB to the host. Open Device Manager and note the exact device name and hardware ID. Once done, understand why. Hyper-V does not expose USB natively, so you gather identifiers now for the redirection step and avoid surprises later. You now perform the actual pass-through by selecting a method that matches your needs and security rules. If the guest supports enhanced session, enable remote desktop on the VM and connect while selecting local resources. This redirects HID and storage. If you need full device access, install a USB over IP or redirector. Run the host service, then the client inside the VM, and map the specific hardware ID you noted. Make sure to run admin rights so drivers install cleanly and permissions align. You finish by validating and handling common failures so you gain a working USB in the VM. After connecting, open Device Manager in the guest and test the device. If it works, great. If not, check host drivers, firewall rules, and that RDP redirection or the redirector service is running. Restart the Hyper-V virtual machine management service and the redirector, then reconnect. One key troubleshooting tip: if the device is claimed by the host, safely eject or disable it there, then reassign to the VM to force exclusive access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.